friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin Design. Today we are going to learn absolute layout in C# code. So uh, this is the code and this is the output. So basically this output is for layout bound. It does not contain any position proportion, means layout flag. So we will first see layout bound and the layout flag. Okay, in the previous example you have seen the how to use absolute layout in the XAML. So let's start. So I have take a margin, so I have set margin is a property, and after that this is the box view. These four are box view. So what I have done, that in the absolute layout, the children property, I have added box view. So with the x, y, width and height. Okay, so rest of all are the same. You have to set x, y, position, width and height. Okay, then after I have added label in the absolute layout, we have given the position x and y. Okay, by default it will take label height and width, and the assign the absolute value to the content of the page. Okay, this is the one time you can you can add absolute layout in the C# code. There is also another way you can add. Let's also see this. I will stop this. And this is, I have taken this example from the Microsoft URL. Okay, so this is for layout flag. So it contains both layout bound and the layout flag. So please let me know what is interested in Xamarin. It will be very helpful for me to create a video in Xamarin. Okay, so this is the layout for the this code. So I have created box view. This is blue color. I have set x, y position and the height and width. These are absolute because we have taken position proportion. So this will be the in percentage value. Okay, please see the previous video. I have explained what is all the layout flag mm, properties, enum value. Okay, here I have explained all the values, so please go through this. I am explaining in quick. So if you watch the previous video, you can learn how to assign this value. Okay, so this value should be in 0 to 1. 0 means 0%, 1 means 100%. Another box view, set layout bound and the layout flag. Okay, the same I have added for this two. So this is red. So so x means this is x position means at the last, 100 position means it taken last, and the 0.5 means 50% it take from the y, from the start from the 50 position, means center. Okay, the same it is label is added to 0.5 means it will be in the center. x is started from center and y is started from center. Okay, then I have created all the uh, control value. Okay, then this control should assign to the uh, absolute children, children of the absolute, like this. You have to pass all the control in the curly brackets by a separated comma. Okay, there are two where you can assign absolute value directly to the content. Another is you can assign uh, creating an without creating object of the absolute value, and assign a children to the controls. Okay, so hope you like this video and understand, and please click on the like button, and please subscribe this channel, and please share this video to your friends. Thank you.